eating that plant. But why? Oh, it's so beautiful. Well, now, Angela, that's all right. Your feeding time is up. Oh, darling, but remember, you're still an animal, a beautiful deer, not a human.
Signor Salvatore, are you sure that I'll learn to be an actress by practicing to be a deer?
Oh, well, darling. All right, I'll give you a more complicated acting problem. A hunter is approaching. Of course, you hear him. You toss your proud antlers in the air and leap to the forest.
Leap to the forest?
Yes, to the forest.
You're going to have to keep one thing in mind.
What's that?
I'm not under contract to Walt Disney.
You know, I still can't believe this whole thing is happening to me. Becoming an actress, meeting you.
Angela!
Carlo, hello.
And just who's he?
Oh, he's a patron of the art.
How is the painting business?
Oh, fine, Carlo, fine, thanks.
Lucky you. Angela!
Hello there. Do tell me.
Don't tell. More patrons of the arts.
Well, I managed to get around.
Angela!
Oh, what?
Oh, this is too much. Let's get out of here, huh?
Come on. I know a nice private beach where we can get away from all this. Frank,
Yeah?
do you mind if we discuss business?
Now?
I want your advice.
About what?
U.S. Steel, General Electric.
Yeah, well, what about U.S. men in General Steel?
Oh, Frank, I'm serious.
Well, so am I, honey.
Oh, you listen. Do you think these are stable companies, or are they what is considered as fly-by-night operations?
You know I'd much rather talk about you.
For instance, the average investment is earned from 3 to 7% of his money until his stockholdings go up in value. And he has thus protected his investment against the unseen risk of inflation. Am I right?
If you're not, honey, I'll personally sue the Wall Street Journal.
Well, then what's your advice?
Concentrate on the business at hand. Yeah. Excuse me a minute, will you, honey? What are you paying him for? Well, I owe the head. Mario, what did you pay him for? He's the guy who painted the picture. I thought Angela painted the picture. Well, what about the signature, the A with the arrow through it? I thought that was Angela. Alessandri. And the other paintings? All Alessandri's? All of them. Look, Frank, no use in my lying to you. You would have found out sooner or later anyway. Find out what? Frank, I'm your pal. That's something I didn't expect. You getting hung up on Angela. Okay, you want some answers? I'll give them. But keep an open mind. Drive her home. Angela, he knows about you.
Hello?
Angela, listen. We sold the TV show. You and Font... What? What did you say?
I said, beat it, you torpedo.
Angela, will you listen to me? I've got to talk.